Assalamu alaikum friends, today I will discuss how to fix computer crash when playing games. Solution 1. Disable background programs. Right click start button to select task manager. End or disable the program that have higher memories. Solution 2. Prevent computer overheating. Solution 3. Run a memory check. Click search, then type memory diagnostic. Click Windows Memory Diagnostic. Select Restart now and check for problems. Solution 4. Run System File Checker. Click Search, then type cmd. Open cmd Run as administrator. Select Yes. Paste the command. The command will be given in the video description box. Click Enter. Solution 5. Check your hardware. Thanks for watching.